सानू काय होणार नाही. सानू काय होत नाही.
Cut.
Hello, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, hi, I'm Sanika and this is my day 4 here in Switzerland and we're going out today. Plus, I'm feeling much better than yesterday. So yeah, let's get ready with me. Confused. Should I wear the whole set? Like, should I wear these pants or black jeans below? Like, I'm very confused. I don't know. I think I'll go with the black jeans and wear the sets sometime later. So my Maushi is gonna tell you where we are going today.
Yeah, today it's kind of shopping and then recycling the stuff. First, we are going to the shopping mall called Glattzentrum, and we are going to look for nice winter shoes for the girls. And afterwards, we are just going to have a window shopping around, and then we'll be visiting the local shops like Lidl, Coop, and Migros, and the recycling of the glass water bottles and the plastic. And that's it.
Let's go. I like these shoes, these are cute, but ये मुझे यहाँ पर टाइट हो रहा है and ये वाला बहुत लॉन्ग हो रहा है, एक साइज इससे बड़ा है पर I don't like it. Plus इसका ग्रिप अच्छा नहीं है, इसका ग्रिप काफ़ी अच्छा है. So I'm checking if they have my size. These are like super huge for me. It's just one size bigger. That's my problem. Like I'm a 6.5, UK 6.5. So 6 is a little tight for me and 7 is a little big for me. So it's always like a struggle for me to find the correct shoes. Going with the first option, it did fit me with skinnier socks. This is my OTT monochromatic beige look. Plus I wore exactly the opposite of what I was planning, and I told you the black jeans. I just wore the set, as you can see. It's looking very cute. I love my outfit. The coat has beige in it, so it goes very well. Plus I really like such colors and a pop of color. Okay, so what you have to do is take this, put it in your trolley, your coin will come out. Done. So that's brown glass and that's white glass.
Green. Green is green, yeah. We have lots of metal. Yeah. Or you can just simply put here. Metal, correct.
We have so much of stuff and unfortunately the lift is not working and my Maushi lives on the 6th floor, the top floor, and we're on -1 and unfortunately I hate stairs. Finally the lift is working. अभी मैं केला जा रही हूँ दूध लेने. And by Kela, they have this storage unit down in the basement where it stores stuff. Very cold here. a common place for everyone. I'm going back. Oh shit. Fish. I forgot the keys. Oh! I'm going down back again. She had forgotten to tell me to get oil, which is also down. So yeah, I'm just gonna go call the lift first. So that till the time I get my keys, the lift will be here. Time management. Fun fact, wait. 24/7, I'm managing time in my head, like not exactly time, every single thing in my head, time to time. I don't know, somehow I cannot stay without it because I'm really good at it, like managing time, managing stuff, time to time. I'm really good with planning, so that's one thing I know about myself. Since I'm good at it, I may make a career out of it if I don't find anything else. Also, fun fact again, I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do in my life. I'll be 20 in 2 months, and I freak out most of the times. And I know everything will be great, like it should be, and everything is gonna be fine. Things work out if you want them to work out, and it may take time. It may happen like super soon, but it will happen if you want it to happen. Just believe, trust the process. And find the oil.
नाही एनिवे तू 3 मिळतात तुला युजली. ओके, हे वोटिंग म्हणजे वोटिंग नाही, त्याला काय म्हणतात ग? जस्ट अपस्ट्रीम आहे वोटिंगच आहे ना. ओके ओके, तर वोटिंग असतं 4 वेळा वर्षात ना. ओके, सो यू गेट लाईक 3 थिंग्स. हे रेडवाला असतं ते फुल स्वित्झर्लंडच्या लाईक इश्यूज बद्दल असतं. दिस थिंग इज लाईक जस्ट झुरिक सिटी, आणि हे कॅन्टन झुरिक असं. झुरिक इज सगळ्यात क्लोजेस्ट, मग नंतर हे मग हे असं. आणि तुला एक्सक्यूज मी ती व्लॉग करतेय, तुला एक असं लेटर भेटतंय विथ दिस विंडो, आणि ते असं इकडनं उघडायचं असतं, आणि इथे परत एक स्ट्रिप असते. मोर ऑन दॅट लेटर. ओके, and then you get like these Stimmzettel, which means you just have to, they ask you, do you agree or not? You say yes or no. That's basically the thing. And these, they give you like these information papers. They are like usually neutral, like no bias in them. It's just like general information. So first in this one you can see like a short information on this, and then what the and like what the authorities think. And then you get this like information which is just general information, no bias. Like they try to have no bias. And you get like what everything that's being voted on. You get the basic information, then what the new proposition is, and then later on you see why people are for this new whatever thing. Yeah, new whatever thingy, and why people are saying no. Okay. So you see both standpoints, and you can like, if you want more information, you can just check on the internet on the official website. And then you also see here the city council things. So 77 of the council members, they're saying yes to this new law, and 40 of them are saying no. And yeah, that's what you have here. Okay, cut. Are you recording me?
Yes.
Okay. Cut. Okay. So for the whole of Switzerland, they have this booklet, and first you get like a short version of the things. You get basic information, what the new proposition is, what the counter proposition is, who's saying yes, who's saying no, and yeah, that's basically it. This is a short version for people like me who are not really interested. I mean, when I'm not interested in a certain topic, I don't read the full version or look it up. But you also have like full version, yeah, here you have all these tables and statistics and cut. So you get like 3 different sheets depending on what you're voting, like, or like in which place you're voting. this one is for Canton Zurich, this one is for the city of Zurich, and this one is for whole of Switzerland, like propositions that like concern everybody.
So you're not supposed to physically go and vote somewhere.
You can go and vote physically if you're doing it like last minute. You can still go on Saturdays and do it yourself if you didn't have the chance to like send it. But usually people just send it by post.
Okay.
Yeah, and what you have to do is just say yes or no if you accept the new proposition or not. And in some cases, you can also say if you rather want the other counter proposition. Yeah. Cut. Now I need to vote. After you're done, saying yes or no, writing it on this paper in your own handwriting, which is important. You put everything in this envelope. You take the strip off and you shut it and to sign it so your votes are valid. Then you put everything back into the envelope where it came from, but just the other way around, because this here is your address and this is like the address where it needs to go. It's all in one paper, very eco-friendly. And then you take the first envelope, you shut it close, and then you put it in any post box on the street, and it's done.
Because it will reveal to you why it is true. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve.
Shit, I was not recording. Sorry. Repeat me, record now. Sorry.
So here you can see the first ever flag of the University of Zurich. They used it from 1891 to 1932.
प्रचंड तू खाली आहे तू खाली
तिकडे कोपऱ्यात बस त्या टेकून हो तुला बघायला लागेल. सानू काय होणार नाही, सानू काय होत नाही. सर काय होत नाही अगं, असं बस. सानू बस असे पायवरती करून. टेक द स्टुडंट एक्सपिरियन्स. हाय गाय.
My search led me to the study of the spiritual forces with which all of us are blessed. And it was in this field that I came upon a clue. I want to describe my discovery in the simplest terms possible, because it will reveal to you why it is true. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. When you speak of your poverty and lack of education, you are simply directing your mind's power to attract these undesirable circumstances. Because it is true that whatever your mind feeds upon, your mind attracts to you.
Hello, it's almost 2 o'clock and we just woke up late and I worked out basically today, and I'm gonna work out every single day hopefully. We are in a tram. It's an empty tram. I'll tell you what we're doing. So basically हम लोग उठे और मैं अपनी बहन की यूनिवर्सिटी में गई. मैं और मेरी कज़न हम दोनों मेरी बहन के यूनिवर्सिटी में गए. We were there for a lot of time. We had our lunch there. Then while coming back we decided we'll just get out at the last stop and then just sit again in another tram and just roam around. The trams are so good. The public transport is amazing. I'm sitting in the tram after like years. तब मैं बहुत छोटी थी जब मैं यहाँ पर आई थी. So yeah, cute. We reached the last station of this place. I don't know. It's probably the last station of this number tram. I'm not sure.
Going to the cinema to watch Eternal. In India, it's going to be released in 2 days, but here it's already here. I'm only going because BTS's Jimin's song is in the film, and I want to see Kit Harington and Richard Madden from.
Same.
Anyway, from there, we're gonna see the tallest building in Zurich. That's it. Yeah.
Hello. It's Diwali. Happy Diwali. I just woke up from a nap and I'm making a rangoli. I love making rangolis. Last year I made such a huge rangoli and a cat actually destroyed it. It took me 3 hours to make that, and for her 30 seconds literally to ruin it.
Yeah, that is it. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. This was kind of like a chill days in my life, kind of. Yeah, so we're not going crazy by going out every single day. We're taking it chill, slow, and we try to go out on days when the weather is really nice, and most of the times we roam around the city and or just stay home. We do not exhaust ourselves completely, so that's like a great thing. Yeah, and okay, bye. Ready.
Okay. I didn't ask to have annoying people while I'm recording. Sorry.